Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CPUs for RTX 2070 that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 2070 Armor HG. This card is built for gamers who want reliable performance at an affordable price. Featuring the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 chipset, it comes with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and a robust 256-bit memory interface. The card is equipped with multiple video output options, including DisplayPort, HDMI, and USB Type-C, ensuring compatibility with a range of monitors and setups, while the maximum screen resolution of 7680 by 4320 is impressive. The slightly dated architecture of the RTX 2070 may not fully utilize modern gaming features like DLSS 3.0. In terms of design, the Armor 8G sports a sleek, industrial look with a dual-fan cooling system that keeps temperatures under control during prolonged gaming sessions. Its 3.3-pound build feels sturdy, although it is heavier than newer models, like the RTX 3060. In performance tests, this GPU handles most AAA titles at 1080p and 1440p with ease, but struggles slightly with 4K gaming, particularly in ultra settings. However, its ray tracing implementation is solid, offering a noticeable graphical enhancement in compatible games. Value-wise, the MSI Armor 8G is ideal for gamers on a budget who prioritize 1440p gaming and moderate ray tracing. The main drawbacks include its slightly older architecture and lower memory clock speed compared to newer cards. Still, if you're upgrading from a GTX series card, the Armor 8G is a worthy contender for its price range. At rank number 3, we have the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 2070 Armor 8G OC. This overclocked version takes the Armor series up a notch, offering a core clock speed of 1740 MHz and memory clock speed of 1410 MHz. With 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and a 256-bit memory interface, the Armor 8G OC is built to deliver smooth visuals and reliable performance across popular gaming titles. It also features ray tracing capabilities and support for resolutions up to 7680 by 4320, making it a versatile option for gamers and creators alike. In terms of design, the Armor 8G OC retains the sleek, dual-fan aesthetic of its predecessor, but incorporates an enhanced cooling system to handle the overclocked performance. The build quality is solid, weighing in at 3.3 pounds, and it sits comfortably in most mid-tower cases. Performance-wise, this GPU handles 1080p and 1440p gaming exceptionally well, with improved frame rates compared to the non-OC version. It's also capable of moderate 4K gaming, but for ultra settings, you may notice a dip in performance. The Armor 8G OC offers a good balance between price and performance, especially if you're upgrading from an older GTX card. Its pros include enhanced clock speeds, robust cooling, and reliable 1440p gaming capabilities. However, its cons are similar to other RTX 2070 cards. It's not as future-proof as newer GPUs like the RTX 3060, and its ray tracing performance is decent, but not cutting-edge. Overall, it's a solid pick for gamers on a mid-range budget. Taking the number 2 spot is the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 Ampere OC. As the budget option in this lineup, it offers remarkable value for its $299.99 price tag. Powered by NVIDIA's latest Ampere architecture, this GPU comes with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory and a 192-bit memory interface, with a memory speed of 1807 MHz. Its dual Torx fan design ensures efficient cooling, keeping temperatures low during extended gaming sessions. With support for PCIe 4.0 and output interfaces like HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort, it's well equipped for modern gaming setups. The RTX 3060 Ampere OC excels in performance, handling most AAA titles at 1440p with ease, and even delivering playable frame rates at 4K in medium settings. Its ray tracing and DLSS capabilities are a noticeable improvement over the RTX 2070 series, making games look stunning while maintaining smooth performance. The build quality is lightweight, 12 ounces, and compact, fitting comfortably into smaller cases without sacrificing thermal efficiency. This GPU is perfect for budget-conscious gamers who want access to the latest features like DLSS 2.0 and ray tracing without breaking the bank. Its main advantages are its affordability, modern architecture, and solid 1440p performance. However, it does have limitations in Ultra 4K gaming and may not be ideal for hardcore creators who need top-tier rendering capabilities. For most users, though, it's a fantastic choice and a worthy upgrade. And finally, at number 1 is the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC 12G. As the premium option in this lineup, it delivers top-notch performance and build quality for $349.38. Powered by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, this GPU features 12 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory and a blazing memory speed of 15,000 MHz. Its triple wind force fan system ensures exceptional cooling, keeping your system stable even during demanding workloads. With support for HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort, it's ready for high-resolution gaming and productivity tasks. Performance-wise, the RTX 3060 Gaming OC is a beast in 1440p gaming, handling ultra settings with ease and delivering smooth gameplay even in 4K with DLSS enabled. Its ray tracing capabilities are top tier for this price range, and it shines in creative tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. The card's design is robust yet stylish, with customizable RGB lighting and a durable build that inspires confidence. At 11.1 inches long, it's slightly larger than average, so ensure your case has enough space. In terms of value, this GPU is perfect for gamers and creators looking for premium features without stepping into the RTX 3070 or 3080 price range. Its pros include exceptional cooling, cutting-edge ray tracing, and fantastic performance for both gaming and productivity. The only downside is its slightly higher price compared to the MSI Ampere OC, but for its advanced features, it's worth every penny. If you're looking for the best GPU in this lineup, the Gigabyte RTX 3060 Gaming OC is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.